If you want to take screenshot without buttons on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you can use a gesture. You can use palm swipe gesture in order to capture the screenshot. So for example, we can swipe with our hand from left side to the right side like this, or from the right side to the left side. And of course, this gesture can be enabled and disabled. So if it doesn't work for you, you can go to settings, choose advanced features, motions and gestures, and then make sure that palm swipe to capture is actually enabled. Another way to capture a screenshot without buttons is by using quick settings. So you can swipe on the right side of the phone from the top towards the middle, then reveal these buttons and find capture or actually take screenshot. It is actually not added by default, so if you didn't add it before, you might want to press this pen icon in the top right corner, press edit, and then over here in available buttons you should be able to find take screenshot. So you can add it over here, press down in the top right corner twice, and now we can capture a screenshot with this shortcut as well. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!